G'day guys, today we're down at sunny Evans Head and we're doing a slatted fence setup. So we're doing something like this. Everything we've got is cut to size. So how we're going to do it? Is we've got a brand new site. Everything's cut to size, which means when you're quoting you have to get it exactly spot on, and then we measure everything, post everything to the exact measurements, and then things will work out. So what we're doing, we've got a blank site. I've already got our string line up, starting here at the downpipe, and you can see the string line's here. So we'll start there, set it up, set it all out, dig it, and then post it, and then come back tomorrow and fit the slats out and get them right. So we'll go from there. So we've marked all our holes out. We've got this bit of mesh in here, or ground stabiliser in here, so we've got to cut out. So we've marked our holes out so we know where it's all going. Dylan's cutting them all out now, ready to go. We'll dig these and then we'll post it up. So follow on from yesterday, we got all our posts in, dug our holes. Footings are 600 by 250, all concreted in, all nice and straight, all level, plumb. And today we're going to fit out everything that needs to be fitted out, and then we can go from there, and I'll show you how that process goes. So what we've got here is a channel that slides in, has all the gaps perforated, ready to go, and then we lay them down, build the panels on the ground. So you build the panel on the ground against the wall so they're nice and hard, and then we take these U sections and we fit them between the posts, so they sort of sit in between the posts, and then we slide everything up. Full panels, slide them up here. So we've swept the ground, put the cover sheets down to make sure everything's right. Sarah's unwrapping all the slats, and then we go from there, make them all up that way, which makes it so much easier and quicker for us. And then you do have an F section that you can use on these panels, with an F section that comes out on this side that you can screw to, but I'd prefer to use the C sections when we've got open space to move things around. The next part of the process is we've got the slats laid up. So Dylan putting the end cap on, so you put that on so it holds everything into play and they don't move around. Then we slide it in over the top of these ones, and your panel's basically ready to go. So things are starting to come along nicely. We've got the panels all starting to lean. Got them all sort of sitting there now, and all the U channels are coming on. And we just clip them off and pin them off, and we're done. So the process is put these on, pop rivet them in. You can see the nice neat pop rivet. I do like to screw them, but sometimes you don't get enough room, and then put the other one on the back. And then as we go, you make your panel. You lift your panel straight up, and just slide it in, and you can put your pop rivet in, keep it flush with the top, and then that's your panel, and it's all done. Simple, quick, and looks fantastic.